Siseba impumelelo isicelo sebutho lophando elikhethekileyo i-I-SIU kunye no-ESCOM sokufumana imisila-yengwe neza kuthunyelwa kubo bonke ababandakanyekayo kwizenzo zokuhliswa ngomlenze kwemali kwaEskom kuquka namadodana kwaGupta.
We have now served them with the documents to say they must come and defend themselves, not on television, not on Twitter, but defend themselves because we believe we have got enough evidence for us to prove our case in court and be in a position to recover the money that might have been siphoned out of ESCOM.
Elibutho lophando lithi ngaphambili khange libaphande abo bebekwibhodi kwaEskom kodwa kwelityeli abazokushiywa ngasemva nabo kufuneka baphendule.
Previously, we would look into the people who have signed and whatever, and we left the people who are in the boards who make some of the decisions that are done to effect whatever was happening. In this particular instance, we feel that their responsibility was to protect the interest of ESCOM, which we believe that they did not do.
Nangona kunjalo umba uphambili ngokuba ingaba elibutho lophando lizakwazi kusini na ukufumana imali yokutyholwa kuba yathathwa lusapho kwaGupta njengoko libhacele kwelaseDubai kwaye bazomthetho kweli bazokuqinisekisa njani ukuba la madodana kwaGupta ayavele enkundleni kweli ukuze aziphendulele kwezi zityholo.
We really are working together with other law enforcement agencies to make sure that we then serve them the papers there and we deal with the matters. It will be up to them whether they want to defend the matter or not. But once we get the order, we will then use the mutual agreements that we will be there to make sure that we get whatever is left.
Elibutho lizimisele ukubuyisela yonke le 3.8 billion neyabiwa kwaEskom.
There was a lot of rot that was happening at ESCOM at that point, and we are trying to make sure that we recover money that ESCOM might have lost. And we are going to do that to all of the people that are there. They must be clearly aware that we are coming to recover from them. And the criminal side will also take its course at the time that it takes its course.
Kuzokuphandwa nezinye izenzo zorhwaphilizo kweliziko liphehla umbane.